Hey folks, we're back with the new Elation fixture, the Protron Eclypse. The new Protron is an RGB strobe with the ability to act as a wash unit or to supply eye candy effects. It weighs in at 35 pounds and has an IPX4 rating. The X means that it hasn't been tested against dust, but the 4 means that it will be protected against water splashes in any direction. One of the cool things about this unit is that you can rig multiple together to create walls, arrays, or some sort of other creative design. It's got your standard True 1 input as well as DMX and EtherCon ports. It's got 96 10-watt RGB LEDs that have a maximum consumption of 843 watts. This fixture is compatible with 120 and 208 volt systems. This fixture has multiple modes, and honestly it became pretty confusing. It has 11 different modes that essentially divide the pixels between the zones. Basically, I gave up trying to figure out which mode was best and went with the one that gave me the most control, which was 12A at 57 channels. This fixture's got a lot going for it. It's a great replacement for its older brother, the Protron 3K, and its IP rating allows us to move away from bagging any fixtures on site, on festival rigs, in case of rain. The ability to rig them together leaves a ton of room for creativity, so I'm excited to see what my friends come up with in their designs. Its versatility as a wash unit or a strobe really boosts its value in my eyes as well. I do think that it's a bit heavy, but at this point I'm pretty sure Elation is just trying to make the heaviest fixture known to man, so I'm just going to move past that point. So a couple of things I did notice. First, when I was trying to flash individual colors with a fade time of 1 second out, the solid color bounced back to white before fading out completely to black. The second thing I noticed is when storing strobe cues on the MA, there was actually a stutter or a delay from when I hit the executor button to when the fixture actually started outputting my cue. I was running hardline DMX and the fixture was the only one in the chain, so both of these issues remain unsolved for the moment. When we get our shipment from Elation, I'll pry more into this and see if these are isolated issues or if perhaps there's a dimmer setting that I missed in the menu. Overall, I think the Protron Eclypse is a pretty badass light. We'll see how it looks on festival stages this year.